2D reflection. 2D reflection. It is a mirrored image or rotating an object 180 degree. The size of the reflected object is same as the size of the original objects. If the initial coordinate of the reflected object P of x comma y, the new coordinate of the reflected object P dash of x dash comma y dash. The reflection on x axis. The reflection on x axis, we have to retain x as it is, y dash alone we have to write minus y. So x dash is equal to x, y dash is equal to minus y. We have to represent it in the matrix form. In the x place we are representing 1. Then here there is no value for y, so 0. Now here we have written the old coordinate x. Then y dash, there is no x here, so in the place we write 0. The y place we write minus 1. Here the old coordinate y. This is the way we brought our matrix form. X dash y dash is equal to 1 0 0 minus 1 xy. This is in two-dimensional form. Here we are going to convert it into 3 cross 3 matrix form. That is homogeneous coordinate matrix representation form. So we know this is the two-dimensional form. We write as it is. Along with that we have to add one more dimension here. That is one we are going to add here. Remaining place we fill it with 0. Then here we will add a homogeneous coordinate variable. Here the value 1 we have assigned. So this is the 3 cross 3 matrix representation for homogeneous coordinates. Let's we see the example. Reflecting object with respect to x axis. See here we have taken example triangle. This is our original object. So see here it has the triangle has a 3 pixel, that is 3 point, that is 2 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 4. Here we are going to calculate for each and every point the reflected point we have to derive. So let's we take each and every point individually. We substitute with the homogeneous matrix representation. We will find the resultant reflected xy value. So let's we take a first point or first coordinate 2 comma 2. Here x is 2, y is 2. Here we have to write as it is the homogeneous matrix representation. Then along with that we are going to write x value 2, y value 2, homogeneous coordinate value 1. So when we do matrix multiplication, here simplified manner I have done it. See here 2 element is 0. So even though we multiplied with any value, it is going to be 0. So I left these two 0 and directly I have multiplied with only this 2. The result I have written 2. Here also 2 0. I left these 2 0 and I am going to multiply with minus 1 into 2. Here minus 2. Here also 2 0. I left these 2 and directly I will add with the third element 1 into 1 1 here. Now the point 2 comma 2 becomes 2 comma minus 2. So the same way we are going to calculate for 4 comma 2 also. When I give 4 comma 2, substitute for x is 4, y is 2, we obtained the value 4 minus 2 1. Now the 4 comma 2 becomes 4 comma minus 2. Now let's we move on to last coordinate, which is 3 comma 4. So for x is 3, y is 4. Now when we do the multiplication process, we obtained the result 3 minus 4 1. Now x is 3, y is minus 4. Now 3 comma 4 becomes 3 comma minus 4. Let's we plot these values. Let's we plot these values into the picture. See here 2 comma minus 2. See here 2 comma minus 2, 4 comma minus 2, second coordinate, third one 3 comma minus 4. When we joined these, we got a reflected image of the original object. It's like, looks like a mirrored image. Reflection with respect to y-axis. So here we are going to keep y as it is, then for x dash alone minus x we are going to give. From this we are going to form a matrix. So here minus x, so we are writing here minus 1 0 x. Then here y plus 1 0 1 y. So this is the matrix form of reflection of y-axis. Now here we are going to write in homogeneous coordinate form, matrix form. Now x dash y dash h, that is homogeneous coordinate form, that is which is equal to, here we have written as it is the two-dimensional matrix. Along with that we have added one more dimension, then the old coordinates x, y, homogeneous coordinates variable value 1. Now let's we see the example for reflection on y-axis. We are going to take the same diagram like previously we have taken x-axis, that is 2 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 4. This is our original object. This object after the reflection, this is before reflection. This is the diagram after the reflection. Let's we see how we calculated these points 2 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 4, how we have converted. So now let's we take a point 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. See here we have written the homogeneous coordinate matrix form, x value 2, y value 2, homogeneous coordinate value 1. Now we are, like a previous way we have done the multiplication. Here we obtained minus 2 to 1. So see here minus 1 into 2, remaining everything 0. So even though we do multiplication result, we will get a 0. So when we add it, we get a result as minus 2. The same way second row, here also we obtained the result 2. Here 1 into 1, 1. So now the point 2 comma 2 becomes minus 2 comma 2. So the same way x is 4, y is 2. When we apply x is 4, y is 2, we got a result minus 4 to 1. That is 4 comma 2 becomes minus 4 comma 2. Let's we move to the last coordinate, that is 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 also we have to write the homogeneous coordinate matrix as it is. X is 3, y is 4, homogeneous coordinate value 1. These are all the value we have given. Then after the multiplication result, we obtained that x is minus 3, y is 4, homogeneous coordinate value 1. Now this 3 comma 4 becomes minus 3 comma 4. Let's we plot this point on the graph. See here minus 2.2, 2 comma 2, sorry, minus 2 comma 2, minus 4 comma 2, next minus 3 comma 4. So now the reflected image in y-axis, it is looks like a mirroring object. Reflection on origin. Here reflection on origin, here x dash also minus x, y dash also minus y. So here we are going to substitute, we are going to form a matrix from the given formula x dash y dash is equal to minus x. So here we have written minus 1 0 x, here minus y 0 minus 1 y. So this is the matrix form of given reflection on origin. The homogeneous coordinate matrix representation is x dash y dash h, which is equal to, here this two dimensional matrix we have written as it is, along with that we have added one more dimension, and then old coordinates x, y, 1. So let's we see the example for reflection on origin. Here also we have taken the same original image, that is 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4 triangle. So these points we are going to apply here also. So let's we take the first point 2, 2. Here we have taken homogeneous matrix representation as it is, x is 2, y is 2, homogeneous value 1. When we do the multiplication, we obtained the result minus 2, 1. Now the 2, 2 becomes minus 2, 2. Now let's we move on to next point. The next point is 4, 2. Here x is 4, y is 2, homogeneous coordinate value 1. After the multiplication, we have got a result of minus 4, minus 2, 1. Now the 4, 2 becomes minus 4, minus 2. Now next coordinate, take a last coordinate, which is 3, 4. Here homogeneous coordinate matrix. Next old coordinates 3, 4, 1. After the multiplication, we obtained that minus 3, minus 4, 1. See here the 3, 4 becomes minus 3, minus 4. Let's we plot all the 3 points here. Minus 2, minus 2. This is minus 2, minus 2. The next minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4, minus 2. See here the last one minus 3, minus 4. Minus 3, minus 4. When we combine this, we got the reflected image or mirrored image on origin. Reflection towards y is equal to x. Y is equal to x represented graphically as a diagonal line. See here the diagonal line which passes through the 0 point of the Cartesian coordinate system and forms a 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle with the positive direction of x-axis. So that here the y is equal to, we assumed that x, the value may be interchanged, x is equal to also y. So see here x dash is equal to x, y dash is equal to y. So in matrix form, we can write interchangeably x, that is which is equal to x is equal to y or y is equal to x. So I have written here 0. So x is equal to y. So in the y place I have written 1. Then I have written the old coordinate. Here also y is equal to x. So is here I have written 1 here. In the y place I have written a 0. Then the old coordinate. This is the matrix form of reflection towards y is equal to x. In homogeneous coordinate matrix representation, again we have to write the two-dimensional form as it is. Along with that, we have to add one more dimension. Here we are going to add the old coordinate, along with that homogeneous coordinate value. This is the homogeneous coordinate matrix representation. Let's we see the example. See here, this is your this is our original image, that is 2, 1, 6, 2, 3, 3. Already we have seen that y is equal to x. The reflection towards y is equal to x. So definitely it must form a 45-degree angle and also with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay. So let's we proceed with the first point, that is 2, 1. Take a point 2, 1. Here we are going to we have written the homogeneous coordinate matrix here. Along with that x is 1, x value is 2, y value is 1, homogeneous coordinate value 1. After the multiplication result, we have obtained the result 1, 2, 1. So 2, 1 becomes, we obtained that 1, 2. Again let's we take a next point, that is 3, 3. So when we apply here x is 3, y is 3, we obtained that 3, 3 becomes 3, 3. The same value we have been obtained. Let's we take a last coordinate 6 comma 2. Here x is 2, y is x is 6, sorry, x is 6, y is equal to 2, homogeneous coordinate value 1. After the multiplication we obtained the value 2, 6, 1. Now 6 comma 2 becomes 2 comma 6. Here let's we start plot to all the 3 points. 1 comma 2, this is the first point, then the second point 3 comma 3 here, then the last point 2 comma 6. This is the reflected image after the reflection. Thank you.